What's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's rear bumper on this Kawasaki Teryx 4. So let's get right to it. Now we're going to remove all 4 of these A-arm bolts. So now we're going to install our mount like this. As you can see, our A-arm shifted. So what I like to do is kind of put my back up against the A-arm, kind of get it back to where it lines up, slide my bolt through on the upper and lower, and then we'll grab the provided nuts. God damn. Now we're going to install the provided nuts. Not going to fully tighten anything, then we're just going to repeat the same steps for the opposite side. So now what we're going to do is we're going to couple the upper section of the bumper to the lower. So when attaching the upper section to the lower section, it's not a bad idea to have somebody help you. You can do it by yourself, just a little bit more difficult. And again, we're not fully tightening anything yet. Just getting all our hardware started. All right, so in the kit, you're gonna see that you have a self-tapping screw. Whenever you push this bumper all the way up, it's gonna line up with a hole on the frame. What you're gonna do is take an impact, push as hard as you can, and run it in as fast as you can. Once it gets tight, stop, or you will pull the threads and it will be stripped out. So kind of got to be careful when you do this. So what you're going to want to do is pull this wire down as you push your bumper up. That way it slides down underneath of it. You don't want to pinch it up against the frame. So we will get this lined up with the factory hole, like so. Same thing over here. Just get her lined up, get it started. All right, that time we did snug it up all the way. Primarily what you're looking for is the angle that everything's set at. You don't want anything to be at a big angle. So now what we are going to do is go through, fully tighten our A-arm hardware first to get the plate pulled, and then we'll fasten the upper portion to the lower portion. Now we're going to fully tighten all our hardware. So once you've went through, fully tightened all your hardware, your bumper's exactly where it needs to be, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's rear bumper on this Kawasaki Teryx 4. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.